Industrialization plays a vital role in the economic development of Kenya by creating employment, diversifying the economy, and increasing exports. However, several challenges hinder the full growth of this sector. To overcome these obstacles, strategic and well-planned solutions are necessary to create a more conducive environment for industrial growth and sustainability. Solutions to the problems of industrialization in Kenya. 1. Provision of affordable capital. The government, through bodies like the Kenya Industrial Estates, KI, and commercial banks, should offer affordable loans and credit facilities to industrial entrepreneurs. This would help industries acquire modern equipment, expand production, and boost innovation. 2. Expansion of local and regional markets. Kenya can enlarge its market by promoting the Buy Kenya, Build Kenya initiative and joining regional trade blocs like EAC, East African Community, and COMESA. This helps widen the market for locally manufactured goods, thus reducing reliance on imports. 3. Investment in technical education and skills training. To address the shortage of skilled labor, more emphasis should be placed on technical training institutions and TVETs, technical and vocational education and training. This will ensure the availability of trained personnel to operate and maintain industrial machinery. 4. Improvement of infrastructure. The government should invest in modernizing roads, railways, power supply, water systems, and communication networks. Reliable infrastructure lowers production and transportation costs, thereby making Kenyan industries more competitive. 5. Stabilizing power supply. Kenya should diversify its energy sources by investing in renewable energy such as solar, wind, and geothermal. This would reduce frequent power outages and lower the cost of electricity for industrial use. 6. Promotion of local raw material use. The development of agro-based and mineral-based industries encourages the use of locally available raw materials. This reduces dependence on imports and enhances sustainability and cost-effectiveness. 7. Implementation of supportive industrial policies. The government should consistently implement pro-industry policies such as tax incentives, reduced tariffs on industrial inputs, and subsidies for local manufacturers. A stable and predictable policy environment encourages local and foreign investors. 8. Pollution control and environmental regulation. Industries should adopt eco-friendly technologies, and the government must enforce strict environmental regulations to reduce air, water, and land pollution. This helps in promoting sustainable industrial development. 9. Decentralization of industries. To avoid congestion in urban areas, industries should be spread across the country, especially in rural and underdeveloped regions. This can be achieved through special economic zones, SEZs, and tax incentives for setting up industries in marginalized areas. 10. Promoting foreign and local investment. The government should create a conducive investment climate by improving security, reducing corruption, and simplifying licensing processes. Encouraging both local and foreign investors enhances industrial expansion and job creation.